In today's guide, you'll learn how to merge sections in Google Forms. If you're looking to organize your form better or remove sections you no longer need, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. From there, either open an existing form from your files or click New, Google Forms to access the form you want to edit. Once your form is open, scroll to the section you'd like to manage. Sections in Google Forms are separated by horizontal dividers, and each one has its own title and description. How to merge sections. If you want to merge a section with the one above it, go to the section you want to combine, click the three vertical dots or More Options in the top right corner of that section, select Merge with Above from the drop-down menu. This will combine the selected section with the one before it, placing all questions into a single continuous section. This is useful when two sections are closely related or when you want a smoother flow. How to delete a section. If a section is no longer needed, click on the section you want to remove. Click the three vertical dots or More Options in the section toolbar, choose Delete Section. Keep in mind that once a section is deleted, it cannot be recovered unless you immediately undo the action. Make sure you truly want to remove it before confirming. By using these options, you can quickly clean up your form, simplify navigation, and make it more user-friendly. Managing sections properly helps ensure your form stays clear, organized, and focused on what matters most.